Welcome to TabFu.com. Let me ask you a question. How would you like to build your marketing lists by thousands of buyers and earn several thousands of dollars in profits from those lists? Simply by using a little known but very powerful marketing tool that's actually hiding directly inside of your Facebook fan pages. And here are a few screenshots of real income we've made by promoting other people's products to our own marketing lists. You know, $3,000, $500, $1,900, $2,500, and all of these numbers you see here are in a single day. So these are just one-day sales. So you can see the power of having your own marketing lists. In fact, I've just logged into my JVZoo account. You can see on this particular day, I made $3,315 just from marketing someone else's product. And inside of my Zaxa account, another affiliate network, you could see here, in just about 2 weeks, I made just over $32,378 by, again, promoting someone else's product to our list. And these are the exact lists that I actually marketed to. So you can see all of the numbers we have here on the right hand side. These are all lists that we've used this type of technology to build these lists from Facebook. And here's another account showing some of our lists. We have over, 130,000 subscribers and several lists in this account. And we actually estimate that over 90% of marketers don't even realize that this hidden marketing opportunity is sitting there. And the main reason is simply because it's just too difficult to set up. So, what is this hidden but very powerful virtual real estate? It's called fan page tabs. Now basically, fan page tabs are additional pages that are inside of your fan page. And you can think of it like a website with subpages, or like a WordPress blog with blog pages. And in this video, I'm going to reveal 10 ways to make money with Facebook fan page tabs using TabFu, as well as a very powerful method for how to find the perfect target audience for your Facebook ad campaigns that you could be doing right now from the comfort of your living room couch with just a laptop and a few helpful tools that I'll be revealing in this video. But first, who are we? My name is Dave Gwendon. Along with Bobby Walker and Sam Finley, we are the team behind the TabFu system. I've been marketing online for the better part of 12 years, and the same with Bobby Walker. The two of us, we've actually sold millions of dollars of online software over the past decade, and we have a tremendous amount of experience with marketing on Facebook. And Sam Finley, our new partner, is extremely knowledgeable about how the Facebook marketing really works. So we have built an incredible team, and you can rest assured that you're learning from the best in the business. Now together and individually, we've actually helped thousands of people just like you get up and running and making money online. And we want you to be our next success story. And we're actually going to show you how to do it by using one of the most popular and fun websites on the internet. And of course, I'm talking about Facebook. So what exactly are fan page tabs? And more importantly, how can using tabs make you more money in your business? And that takes me to my 10 ways to make money with fan page tabs using TabFu. Number 1, build a marketing list to promote your products or services or affiliate products where you earn commissions. And here we are inside of TabFu interface, and all you gotta do is go on over to select tabs on the left hand side and create new tab. We've made it extremely simple for you to create a landing page to get leads into your marketing list by simply selecting one of our pre-built templates. As you can see here, there's a featured opt-in, so you can collect leads using this template. You can also collect leads using the video share bribe. An additional template we've included is the video bribe. In addition, you have another download bribe template and a second download bribe template. Let me go and show you an example that I've already created. All you have to do is within the tab that you've created inside here, simply click this little Facebook button and you will preview the actual tab inside of your Facebook fan page. Now I have a sample fan page here that I called Camping and Survival, and as you can see, I quickly created this beautiful landing page that is actually located directly inside of this fan page. If I go to the timeline, you will actually see that my fan page tabs are located right here, and this is that newsletter tab that I was just showing you. And to create this tab is extremely simple. All you have to do is select the template and change the text and upload a few images. Let me show you. Simply click Create New Facebook tab, go ahead and select the template that you want to use and click Edit. And within the editor, all you have to do is just change the text. So free software, for example. And just like that, upload some images you have on your computer. It's extremely simple to create a beautiful looking opt-in page that's actually located right on Facebook inside of your fan page. After you're done editing your template, you add your autoresponder. You can select between Aweber, GetResponse, iContact, or MailChimp, and once you've done that and connected that to your account, click the Next button. You can also choose an icon for your tab, which will be displayed within your actual fan page, and then you can schedule it for later, for a different time if you'd like, or you can publish now. And once you're done, it will be automatically published to your page, or you can alternatively preview it on Facebook using the preview button. Number 2, you can use TabFu to launch a brand new digital product or physical product to your fans on your fan page. Now going back into the TabFu interface, simply create a new Facebook tab, and here you can see a product feature. All you have to do is click on Edit, and inside of here you can feature a product. And so you can add all the information about your product here. If it's going to be a downloadable, say a video course of some sort of informational product you're selling. Let me just show you a quick example using that same fan page for Camping and Survival. This particular page I whipped up in literally 10 minutes by just changing the text and adding some images, and this could be for a camping and survival training guide, or maybe a camping and survival training course, like a video course of some sorts. We've also included templates for an opt-in countdown page. So for example, let's say you're going to launch a new product and you wanted to build some buzz around on your fan page. So let's go ahead and just edit this one here. And what we have here is a beautiful page with a built-in timer that will count down to whatever date you specify. And you can add your own video in here. And adding a video is really simple. All you have to do is just paste the link to your video. It could be a YouTube video or a Vimeo video. Just go ahead and paste it in there and it will automatically just show up right inside the template. Then you can have your subscribe button, and then once you're done, you just simply click Next, and you can directly publish it to your page just at a click of a button. Let's take a quick look at what it looks like on Facebook. Absolutely beautiful. Of course, I didn't add anything to the page or the template, but you can see just how quick it is to get this tab up and running on your fan page with literally tiny bit of work. And as you can see with this particular template, when someone clicks the subscribe button, you actually have that famous two-step opt-in process that has already been proven time and time again to dramatically increase your opt-in rate. So this is a highly successful tab page that you can use to build your business when you're launching a brand new product. Number 3, you can offer a free software download and promote offers inside of your software. As well as you can also just promote these offers to your list. So when people download your software, you'll be collecting their email address. So you're building a list that you can also promote to. Again, creating a new Facebook tab, you will see this absolutely amazing product opt-in template. If you just click on the edit here, we'll just show you how amazing this really looks. This is perfect for offering your free software for exchange of people's email. So you can see here, you can have a screenshot of your software box. You can add any content you want. Your subscribe button is here. And you can see here, this little thing you see here, the little lock, Well, that gives you the ability to actually create an email gate, where this basically forces the user to input their email in order to gain access to your offer. And this is extremely powerful for getting higher conversion rates. And in this template, you can change out all the images, add any text you want for different features of your particular software. And you can see here, it goes all the way down to the bottom, and you can actually have an order button if you prefer to actually sell the software yourself. So there's a couple of different options you can do here, but that's a very powerful option by offering free software. For example, I've just logged into my Aweber account. I have a software program that I give away for free. It's a keywords related software program, and you can see I sent 2 emails here. On the 28th, I sent to this list, which has 15,000 people that have installed the software, and I've had it online for several years. And I sent another email to the people that did not open the first one. So I only had 2 emails that I sent here, and you can see it's about 700 clicks plus another 250 clicks, which is roughly around 940 clicks. Let's go and take a look at how much money I made from sending those 2 emails to the product. This is an affiliate product that was in JVZoo. So that was last month, which will be August the 28th and August the 29th. And let's take a look at the amount of money that I made from that particular offer. I made just over $1,200, $1,293 from that particular product. Now there's sales from a few other ones here, but the majority of it is probably about $1,200 are coming from that exact product. So it's a really good idea to offer free software and then promote related software products to the people that have your software to earn a lot of money just through affiliate marketing. In fact, I've made well over $50,000 to $60,000 in profits just by promoting to that single list over and over again, year after year. Number 4, give away a free report, or you can even sell the report if you'd like, and then you can promote your products, services, or affiliate products inside that report. You know, for example, let's say you sell services to do with SEO for Google or maybe even Facebook. Well, you can talk about the different types of benefits of having great SEO for your page, of course, to get more traffic to your website, for example, and put that into a report. And then what you do is you just simply put links to your products or other people's products within that report. And we have templates in TabFu that you can use that can do exactly that. By using the built-in ebook bribe template, let's just go ahead and click the preview here, and you can quickly see just how nice it really is. And all you have to do is just add a little text to your actual book here, and some headline, your company name, some topics, and then you can have a download button for this particular report. As with all the other templates, in addition to just changing the actual text on the page, you can change the color of the background. So you can see this green background for this particular template. You just click on that background and you can change it to whatever color you wish. For example, let's say an orange kind of color. It is really simple to change every single aspect of your page with just a couple clicks of your mouse. Number 5, you can host a free webinar showing the benefits of your product or maybe someone else's product, and then offer a special time-limited discount at the end of the webinar. This is actually a very common method used in the internet marketing community, and I've actually used it several times myself, and we've earned well over $100,000 from a single webinar. It is that powerful. And inside TabFu, we've created this really nice webinar opt-in page. Let's go ahead and just take a quick preview of what it looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. So you can quickly come in here and edit this to the time that you want. You could even put in a little video that can be like a teaser for the actual webinar. So this is a very powerful method. Let me show you an example. Here I quickly whipped up a little example, again within the camping and survival niche. Would be a survival webinar, stay prepared for any disaster. So you can put a little video in here talking about the actual content of the webinar, and then you can go ahead and add the time, and then you can go ahead and opt in to get onto your list in order to gain access to the webinar. So this is another very powerful method for making money with fan page tabs. Number 6, you can write your own Kindle book and sell it from a fan page tab. Of course, if you don't want to write it yourself, you could outsource a ghostwriter, and then you could sell it within whatever niche you're involved with. Using that same ebook bribe template I just mentioned, you can actually do something like this. Now, this is just an example, but let's say you owned a Kindle book on the Kindle network, for example, Hawk's Special Forces Survival Handbook. You can quickly just put a little screenshot of the image here on top of the book and add a few bullet points about the benefits of getting this survival handbook, and of course have a download button with a testimonial at the bottom. So again, I whipped this up really quickly. Probably took me less than about 6 minutes to do it. So very simple to use, and this is another way you can make money using tabs. Number 7, showcase your mobile app to get user downloads. Then you can charge per download, or you can offer it for free and have integrated ads within your mobile app. As you can see here, we have a template called App Feature, which allows you to basically show a new app that you launched. And you can launch this to your fan base of your fan page for that particular mobile app. So let's go ahead and just edit this, and you can quickly see what it looks like. It's really, really nice, just like all the other templates. Let's just go ahead and quickly post this to a page. So I'll post it to a TabFu software fan page and go ahead and just select one of these. So click the app and go ahead and just publish now. Whoop, we got to provide a title, so I'm going to say launch app. Publish now. Now we can take a look on Facebook. Just how beautiful it looks. It's amazing. It shocks me every time I see just how nice these templates look, and it's really easy to edit. Now here's something I actually haven't mentioned yet in the video. Now this is something that's going to really shock you. It really shocks me. But it turns out that these tabs on your fan pages, they're not mobile friendly. Believe it or not, Facebook does not provide tabs on mobile devices. Now, it's kind of shocking given the fact that Facebook has been moving towards mobile, and that's okay. We've solved the problem for you. We actually have a special link inside of TabFu. Let me show you here. For this particular example we just created, you will see a link right here. This is the mobile link. So you can provide this link to anybody and they will see it on their mobile device, and the actual page will look perfect. Here, let me just pause the video and get a screenshot of this exact page that we just created on my Samsung S4. Okay, so I just went to the actual web address there using that link on my Samsung, and I took a screenshot and I just emailed it to myself, so you can see this is what it's going to look like. Of course I can't scroll it because it didn't do a full screenshot of the entire page, but it looks absolutely beautiful on a mobile device. And on our website you can also see an example of a little bit of an animated image here showing how beautiful it does look on a iPhone device as well. And in addition to just, iPhones and smartphones sort of thing, it also looks absolutely beautiful on any mobile device. So it could be a tablet as well, an Android tablet, or maybe an iPad tablet as well, or even a Windows tablet. These pages will automatically detect what device you're on and accommodate for the screen size that that you're viewing this actual page on. So we've integrated some really cool technology in the background so you don't have to deal with the fact that Facebook does not provide these tabs as a mobile friendly page on people's mobile phones. But don't worry about it, we took care of that for you. Number 8, you can create a contact page so you can personally connect with your fans that are really desperate for more information about your product or business. Then what you can do is you can offer them a private discount. We have included a contact form right in here, as well as we do have a social contact form here, so you can get people to connect to your Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, all that sort of stuff. So we just look in here. So you got LinkedIn, Pinterest, Google+. So it's really easy to integrate here into your business. It's always a good idea to have that on all of your fan pages, so you can have, your fans can go ahead and connect with you. So let's go ahead and just take a look at the contact form. And here you can add an image about your company, subscribe, and this is where you can actually just build a new list right here. And again, what you want to do is you want to be following up with these customers because they're really interested in your product or service, want to learn more information, give them what they want to know, and then offer them a private discount on the back end. This is a really powerful technique that I've personally used in my business over and over again, and you wouldn't believe just how amazing this works. Plus, the customers will always come back and buy more stuff from you simply because you took care of them. You know, you personally spoke with them and you personally gave them a private discount. Number 9, offer a free service quote, and then you can close deals on the back end. Using the service quote template, you can easily do exactly that. So, you know, let's say you have a business to do with offering insurance quotes or maybe bad credit quotes or something like that. You have this template that you can utilize. So you can easily just enter in all your information into this beautiful looking template, and then you can go ahead and get email addresses and build a list of people that want to get free quotes. You give them a free quote, and then you can go ahead and follow up with whatever service you are doing, and this is really good for offline businesses. And finally, number 10, you can create Facebook ads that will send traffic to your motion posts using the Power Editor. Now, at this point, you're probably thinking, well, what are motion posts? I've never heard of that before. This takes me to the next part and another feature that's in TabFu that's just absolutely incredible and a total new technology. This is cutting edge stuff and it's really exciting. I'm actually getting so excited to show you this right now. Now, throughout this video, I've just been showing you one feature of TabFu, and that is creating tabs. We also have another feature in here called motion posts. As you can see here on the left hand side, you select motion posts and you can create a new motion post. Now, what is a motion post? Well, the best way to show you is just to show you a real example. As you can see, there are things moving inside of these images. Well, let's go and take a look at what a motion post looks like on Facebook. So this is how it works. You can create a motion post and you can post it to your fan page, and that's the fan page that will contain your fan page tab. This gives you the ability to connect a post to a tab. Let's take a look. So if we go ahead and click this, you can see right away that the actual image is animated. Isn't that cool? That's where the motion is coming from. These are cutting edge motion tabs, and this is a pre-built motion image within our system. So you just select the template and click the button, add some text, and boom, here you are. And guess what? When people click on this, they go directly to the actual tab you're promoting. And this is incredibly powerful. Now, do you remember when I told you that Facebook doesn't like to make these pages like mobile friendly? Well, don't worry about that, because you know what? When you have fans on your fan page and you send out a post, or you do a post on your fan page, well, if people are fans and they have their mobile phone, they're going to get that post on their phone. Well, if they go ahead and tap that post, well, guess what? They're going to go to the mobile version of this page on their phone, not to Facebook. So they will still see this page beautifully formatted within their mobile device. That is the true power of motion posts. Let's take a look at a few other examples here. Here's one that I did for that survival, camping and survival. So you can see I just created that image really quickly in Photoshop, and click that and you'll go right over to the tab. Again, these are mobile friendly links, so when people click on that link, our system will automatically detect what device they're on. It will show the page accordingly. If they're on desktop, they will see this page. If they're on mobile devices, they will see the mobile version of that page. Let's take a look at another example here. Let's say, for example, you run a Teespring business. I am a very successful Teespringer. I love Teespring, and I've sold several $100,000 worth of shirts on Facebook. And here's an idea you can do with TabFu. So you can create a post similar like this, where you just want to get people on a list to you can promote your shirts to, and then you click this and you can go over to a sample. This is just a sample trending Teespring shirts community page, and I created a tab which I called What's Trending, and then in here people can join this actual list and stay up to date with all of the trending shirts on Teespring And you can get, you get free swag, get special discount, new trending designs, the testimonial here. So this is a really powerful method if you're into using Teespring to make money on Facebook. And here are a few other examples. So you got another one here. This is just a still image, so this is not a motion actual image, but same idea. It goes to that webinar page I was showing before for the camping and survival. Let's go ahead and create a new motion post just to show you how simple it really is. So the very first thing you got to do, of course, is you have to select the actual fan page tab that you want to promote. So let's go ahead and just select the free software one here to select that. And we can also view this on Facebook if we forget what the actual tab is. So this is the tab we're going to be promoting, some free software giveaway sort of thing. Click next. And then we have a library of a whole bunch of different still images that you can use in the post, or you can upload your own like I did here, or you can use the animated posts. And these are the motion posts that we've included. You can see all the different templates you could select from here. In addition, you can also just post a video, and these are just video thumbnails, but you can put your own video link here and it will be posted on your fan page as well, and it will go directly to your fan page tab. Let's just go ahead and click one of the animated posts. Just select this one here. Click next. Next, you simply enter your message. Download our new free software. Download here. Ending soon. Get your free software download here before it ends. Just something like that. Click next. And then we can go ahead and post that to our page. So I'll post it right now and we'll take a look at what it looks like. Let's view this on Facebook. So now we're in the timeline and people will see this either on their computer or in the mobile device, and they go ahead and click that and they're going to see the motion post. And if they go ahead and click download here, boom, they go directly over to your page. And again, like I just said, these are mobile optimized pages, so they will work on mobile devices. And what's really exciting is the fact that when you put a post on your fan page just like this, you can use the Power Editor, which is a free tool that Facebook provides you in the Facebook Ads Manager. You can use that tool within your Google Chrome web browser, and you can advertise to this exact post that you put directly on your fan page. Isn't that awesome? Think about that for a second. You can buy really cheap traffic from Facebook and target perfect, send traffic to this actual post, and you're sending them to a page on Facebook, and it could be an opt-in page. So you can quickly build up your list really fast if you don't want to spend the time to manually get your fans by using some other advertising method. If you want to do it immediately, all you have to do is utilize the Facebook ad platform in the Power Editor, send traffic directly to your motion posts, and then simply start building your leads immediately. Now, of course, we didn't stop there. We also included analytics. I don't know if you've noticed throughout the video, you've seen these little numbers here on each part. So what we're looking at here is the motion post. Well, we can see the number of clicks, the number of likes, comments, and shares for each and every motion post, as well as your tab stats. Let's go take a look at the tabs one more time. You can see here the same idea. You get the clicks, the likes, the shares, and also the number of emails you've collected. So if you have an opt-in form for a particular tab, you can also export all of those emails to a CSV file, and then you can upload that to your favorite autoresponder service. It's really simple to delete any tab within here. You simply click to delete, click yes, and as you can see, you can go ahead and edit a tab at any time you want. So say you want to update a picture or update some sort of content or add content to a particular page, just click edit, do the edits, and then click save. All the changes are applied to the tab on Facebook. And you can simply refresh the stats by just clicking a little refresh here, and it'll give you a quick update of the latest stats. Now, we didn't actually stop there. We did include another tool here, which is the analytics section. And this will show you all your analytics for your fan page tabs and your motion posts. So in this section, you simply select the fan page you want to look at, And then you come in here and you can see all your tabs and all your motion posts and all your stats sitting right here in front of you, so you can quickly see what's working and what's not working. So this is a very beautiful interface to quickly see what's going on in your Facebook marketing. Now, while we were developing this software, we realized that people have difficulty trying to create Facebook image ads. So we decided to integrate an additional tool into the members area where you can create your own Facebook ads. So along the left-hand side here, you select right here and you can create your own Facebook ad. And again, you can select from several different pre-built templates. For example, if you'd like to use this one, you simply click Edit. It will come with this pre-built template, and all you got to do is just change the name here to whatever you'd like, your company name, and here we could put click here now, something like that. And then you can upload your own image inside here. Now I did make a sample image, and that image is right here. Let's take a look. And here's a sample image. Awesome software. Click here now, and it has a screenshot of the software in the background there within that computer laptop. And all you have to do is simply click export, and you can export this image to your computer. And here's the image that you'd use in your Facebook ad. So we made it very easy for you to create your own Facebook ads where you can send traffic to your fan pages. So what you've seen so far is just a few examples of how you can start earning more money with using the power of fan page tabs. And I didn't actually show all of the templates. There's still many other ways you can make money with tabs using TabFu. But next, I do want to show you that powerful method for finding the perfect target audience for your Facebook ad campaigns. So when you log into your Facebook account, all you got to do is at the very top, you can type in Ad Manager, or usually you just see it right here, Ads Manager. I'm going to just go ahead and type it here, Ads Manager, and it'll show up as an app. So you click that. That will take you to the Facebook Ads Manager section. And I'm just going to go ahead and create a new ad here. I just click that little green button, and let's just go ahead and stick in a sample website. For example, tabfu.com. And when you're creating a new ad inside the Ads Manager, you have to specify the audience. So this is the same if you're using the Power Editor as well. You still have to specify the audience. Now the biggest obstacle a lot of people have to overcome when they first see this, or they have a lot of experience with it, they still struggle in finding the best targets. And in particular, what are the best interests? So if you're like targeting, say for example, you're selling a t-shirt on Teespring that's targeting nurses, you know, what should you put in here? Just type in the word nurse. From my experience, that doesn't work very well. You know, let's go ahead and try that. You type in the word nurse and you get nursing. You know, what are you gonna have here? 500,000 people that like nursing. That might not be a nurse, you know, that would actually wear the clothing that I'm promoting. Now that's just one example. Of course, it's going to apply to any possible niche that you can dream of, you know, software, or if you're promoting physical products in survival and camping niche or something like that, or dog training, all sorts of stuff. It doesn't matter what you're doing. You can always find a lot better interests for your target audience. And that's what I want to show you here. I want to show you a little trick that will help you increase the basically the quality of your targeting. And what I'm going to do is just continue with that little nurse example. So instead of targeting nurse, why don't you target stuff like Nurse Association or Nurse Federation, the Nurse Union, that kind of thing. So what you can do actually is just utilize Google. So go on over to Google and just type in Nurse Association, and then you can find all of these different possible words that could be an interest within Facebook. Now interests, these interests that you see in here, these are actually provided by you know, people that do activity on Facebook, sharing, liking, posting, talking, tagging, all that kind of stuff. Well, all those will formulate or basically create a an interest database. So I don't want to get too technical on you, but basically Facebook has some magical algorithm in the background that can spot all of these interests people are talking about, and then they provide it here as an interest from their interest database. The problem is trying to figure out, well, what are these interests? You know, you can come here and type in here all day long. They're only going to show you like 10 interests down here. That's about it. You know, you put nurse, That's all they show is just that. Nurse Jackie, nurse midwife. Well, you know what? There are probably millions of interests in there to do with nurse, and they don't show you all of them. The problem is finding them. And one way to do that is by using something I like to call power words. Association is a power word, like federation, union, journal, website, ebook. All those sort of things are power words that you can append to your seed keyword, where your seed keyword is going to be your niche. So in this particular case, I'm going to sell a t-shirt to do with nurses sort of thing. So that's what you want to do. And let's say if we can find this Canadian Nurses Association in there. So just start typing it in. Canadian nurses. There it is. 120,000 people, 110,000 people. Obviously, I'd be targeting just Canada, not US for this particular case, but it may not matter, right? If you're just targeting nurses in general, it wouldn't matter. But I can tell you right now, the Canadian Nurses Association are going to be a lot more profitable than just putting nursing in there. So that is a really powerful tip, and I've used it over and over again for all sorts of different marketing. So next, what I want to do is talk about the bonus software, which is actually to do with that method I just showed you. You can probably imagine it's a bit tedious going to Google and typing in a whole bunch of words and trying to find those targets. Like, that's a really good tip, but what if I can make it easier for you? You see, what we're going to do is offer a bonus software program that I called Target Generator. And here's a quick look at the software. All I got to do is connect with Facebook. Once you enter in your details for Facebook, you only have to enter it once. You don't have to worry about it afterwards. What you do is you just stick your seed keyword in here, nurse, and click the button. And what this software is doing, it's going to the Facebook API program, which basically means software can interact with Facebook's big massive database, and it's looking for fan pages that have the name nurse in it. Okay, now that's just one part of it. Now when you're in here in the interests, these interests are not fan page names, so I got to clarify that. But it turns out that if a particular fan page becomes very popular and a lot of people are talking about the subject of that fan page, it turns out that that fan page name will eventually show up in the interests. And that's really what you want. You want fan page names that show up in the interests because you know that there's going to be massive following and engagement within that fan page. And that's what the software will do for you. It'll go through and get all of these fan pages, and then you can take these fan page names and you can add them in as interests. Now you can see this one's still plugging away here, going through over 448 pages, and it's downloading a whole bunch of really cool stuff like the category, what it's about, how many likes, how many people are talking about that page. Also an affinity. The affinity is basically how many people are talking about it, but it's comparing it to the number of likes. So for example, if I just sort by affinity here, you could see there's 19,000 people talking about this page, but there's only 4,000 likes. So obviously this has a massive affinity. People are very interested in this particular fan page. So this could possibly be a very good target. Let's go ahead and just pause this. And what you do is you simply look at the targets that you want to investigate, you want to possibly use as interests. And let's say, for example, we're going to sort by affinity. I want to take, let's say, only the ones that have more than, I don't know, 2,000 likes. And I'm just going to select these ones here, and you go right click and you add the targets over to here, and you can see the total amount of total number of likes for all these pages and the amount of people talking about it. Then you simply click the file, copy targets to clipboard, and then you go back to your interest tool here and you right click and you paste. And then all those interests will show up in here. And I can tell you right now that some of these interests will be so targeted and will be very, very profitable. And so basically what Target Generator is doing for you, it's making the process a lot easier, and it's helping you find targets you would have never dreamed of. Or do you want to go to Google and sit there and type in a million keywords all day long to try to find those, hidden interests in there? Like, that's a really good tip I gave you, but this software is going to increase that that method 10 times. And I didn't even stop there. You can actually integrate your own text filters. So if I click text filters here, And I've integrated something called power words, those words I was talking about. If you click this button, boom, all those words will go in here, and you can filter all of the data by these actual words, and these words will filter within the page name and the about section. So now we have 50 targets that contain the words association, federation, foundation, society, club, all the stuff you see here. And you can change your power words anytime you want by clicking this button at the top, and you can enter any one additional words if you want, or you can save them and open other words. It's just a plain text file. Let me show you another incredibly powerful feature. Using this button here, you can enter multiple keywords, multiple search terms in the beginning. So say you want to type in nurse and you want to add all your power words. I made that really simple. One click, boom. You'll add all of the power words to your main seed keyword, and now you can search for all of these from the beginning on your search, on your seed keyword. So let's say, for example, we just want to search these two. Let's go with Nurse Association and Federation. Click OK. It adds them there by comma delimited there, and just go ahead and click Go. And now we're getting 430 pages that contain the word association and the word nurse. And then it's only working on the first word, so the next word it will be the Nurse Foundation. Now I've already done this, so I'm going to go ahead and just pause this and bring up the software here. You can have multiple versions of the software running at the exact same time. Well, take a look here. We found 429 additional targets. We can right click, add all the targets over here, file, copy targets to clipboard. If we go back to our advertising, let's just remove all these keywords, right click, paste, and boom, look at all of these highly targeted interests that we can start promoting our nurse t-shirt to. Of course, like I said, this is just one niche. You can do this pretty much with any niche you can dream of. For example, here's one for camping I did. Found 467 possible targets there. Here's another one I did for cat, and I did all the keywords, cat association, foundation, federation, and it's still pumping away, but we found 927 possible targets on that one right now. And I have another one here for dog. I just stuck in dog as well, and we got a whole bunch of these different possible targets. Let's go ahead and add all these targets, and let's see how many we can find with this one. And there you go, a whole bunch. Look at all of those, just tons and tons and tons of possible targets you would have never dreamed of. There's actually more features and more cool stuff in the software. I just don't want to take up more of your time in this video. So as you can see, there's really no mystery to it, and literally anybody can do this, even if you have zero design skills. So let's cut to the chase. What's the real world value of this type of software system and the included bonus software? Well, let's take a look at what other companies are charging to provide similar money-making tools online. Now, here's one company called TabFu. TabFu allows you to have a maximum of 10 accounts here in the premium version, but it's $109 per month, and they don't even have the power of using motion posts. Another company that offers, I think the VIP is $1,279 per month. Another one, $479 per month. You see, our TabFu system allows you to add unlimited Facebook accounts, so there's no limits on that at all. You get unlimited tabs and unlimited motion posts. Also unlimited Facebook ad images. Now for the bonus software, the target generator, here's another one that is similar called Interest Hero. They charge $127, and this is actually a private offer. You can't get this publicly. Another one called Targeting Inspector costs $97 one-time payment. They were charging $200 a year for it, I believe. I thought at one point it was actually $97 a month. So these types of tools are not inexpensive, and those prices are completely fair. And here's why. It's because you can make a full-time living online with using these tools. All right, let's add it all up. So what you're going to get with the TabFu system is the tab page creator, along with all those really beautiful templates. As you see, it came with that really nice template editor. It's very simple to change colors, add text, upload images, use the image stock. It's absolutely beautiful. You also get the motion post creator tool as well with those templates, which included the still images, the motion images, and you can also put your videos in there with those video thumbnails. And also, if you remember, you get those little image icons that you can post right directly inside of your news feed. Basically, inside of your fan page news feed, you'll have that nice little section to show those really nice little icons. So it's a really nice piece of real estate right there that you can utilize, and we have the stock images for that built right in. So we'll be getting that as well. And of course, we have tutorial training videos on every aspect on how to use TabFu to make sure you make a lot of money from Facebook. And of course, the bonus target generator software. Now, I do want to mention something really important I kind of forgot, was that TabFu works on both Mac and PC computers. In fact, it actually works on any device that has a web browser, like a tablet, your smartphone, anything. It's pretty cool. Now, the target generator software is a desktop software that will work on Macintosh as well as on PC, okay? But it won't work on tablets. And this is a real world value of $750. We can easily charge $600 lifetime access to TabFu. It has a lot of incredibly powerful tools that just aren't available anywhere else on the internet. But don't worry, you won't have to pay anything close to that for this software and training, because right now we're offering a special time-limited product launch discount. So as you can see on the page right now, you got to take advantage of this time-limited special right now, or else you're going to miss out. Plus, you'll be getting a full 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied in any way, shape, or form, you know what? Let us know, and we'll give you back your money, no questions asked. Basically, if you didn't like it, then we don't deserve to get paid, period. So why are we practically giving away the farm on this special deal? It's actually quite simple. First, we're offering you this steep discount because we want you to take action. We want you to have this software and enjoy the massive success you deserve. And then come back and purchase more of our high quality products, just like this one. So you see, it's actually a win-win situation for both of us. So if that sounds fair to you, then all you have to do here is take action. And remember, this is a time-sensitive offer that will disappear forever, which means you must act now to lock in this money-making software and training, plus the added bonuses at this unbelievably low price. This could be the breakthrough that you deserve. Building your business on Facebook using tabs will never get saturated and will always be a very powerful tool. Think about it. There are a billion users on Facebook waiting to buy your products, services, or buy the affiliate products you're promoting. And now you can generate income just like this whenever you want, working from the comfort of your own home. This is your chance. You must take action now, because once this special offer is gone, it'll be gone for good. And remember, you're covered by our 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee, which means you absolutely have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So go ahead and click the Add to Cart button below this video for instant access to this valuable software and training while you still can. On behalf of myself, Dave Gwyndon, Bobby Walker, and Sam Finley, I want to thank you for watching this video, and hopefully we'll see you on the inside.